Coco. For today's video, it's all about my go-to neutral look. In this video, I am going to be using some new product to achieve this look. I hope you guys like it and don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. To prime my face, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York Baby Skin face primer. I would recommend this face primer if you have an oily skin. With my concealer in this shade right here, I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid. Okay, so after setting my concealer on my eyelid, I'm going to go in with my Malibu Glitz palette in the light brown shade as a transition color, and to deepen my crease, I'm going in with the deeper brown shade. To create a cut crease, I'm basically just following the shape of my eye. I added a dark brown shade at the end of my cut crease. Next, I'm going in with the gorgeous eyeshadow. I'm taking, this is a 3-in-1 eyeshadow. I'm using the brown shade right here. Like brush from Vander, like in the inner tear. I'm using the Forever 21 eyeliner. So this eyeliner is super liquidy and it dries so fast. Okay, so for foundation, I am going to go in with the Iron Magic Velvety Foundation from Juvias Place. This is Togo in the shade 210. Radiance contour stick. To brighten up my under eye, I'm just going to go in with the NYX concealer and I'm just going to apply that underneath my eye. Okay, so I'm applying my HD concealer on my Cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead, underneath my jawline, and my nose. So I'm blending my jawline. I'm kind of like flipping the beauty blender to the flat portion and just like blend out the line so that it could like be seamlessly blended out, and then I flip it over again on the pointy side and just blend. setting powder in the shade GOBI. Powder. I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks for contour. I also apply the powder on my temple and my nose, and also my jawline. I'm going in with the Saharan from Juvias Place in the shade Volume 1. This shade right here. This is the Volume 1. I'm going to apply that. I'm going to use this for a highlight. I'm using the blush palette in the shade Abbey to line my lips, and after for like an ombre effect, I went in and used the other shade from the blush palette, which is Lila. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Forever 21 setting spray. Okay, so we are at the end of this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys until my next video. Bye!